Welcome to LA Security Cameras. When choosing a security camera company, you have to be sure that you're making the right decision by picking a right company. LA Security Cameras has tested, experimented with all different types of security cameras being sold out there, and we have come up with some of the best systems for commercial and residential customers. We are a proven leader in our industry and have the customer testimonials, work experience, and results to show you. We are a company that you can trust right from the beginning. All of our communication is upfront, no games, pure transparency, and an honest business approach backed up with a solid technical background. LA Security Cameras is licensed to work on low voltage. Our level of expertise has resulted in over 500 five-star reviews online with the absolute best reputation for security camera installation. Why us? Over 50 years of combined IT technical expertise, plus many additional years with our combined installers. What this really means is that the team will do a good job for you based on statistics. On residential projects, we have experienced installers that are comfortable hiding cables so that your beautiful home maintains the aesthetic value it delivers from exposed cables all around your house. We hide the good majority of those nasty cables. Regarding commercial business projects, we have installed complex security camera systems in large warehouses, truck yards, restaurants, townhomes, condos, apartments, malls, and any large projects that you may consider having done. We have completed over 8,000 jobs in the past 15 years. Last but not least, we have seen a lot of crime activity on videos, from car theft, business break-ins, home invasion, burglaries, neighbor crime, up to including some of the worst crimes you can imagine. We are there for our customers. We will do it and do it right. Bottom line, we guarantee the best price and value when choosing LA Security Cameras. Call George at 213-761-7900 for a free estimate. Thank you for considering LA Security Cameras.